Hello friend, my name is Donna, also known as Charming Jellyfish. I am an adult fan of Legos, and for you today I'm going to be building this cutesy little giraffe and some food, because all giraffes need food, right? Stick around. Alright friend, these are the pieces you will need. If you need to pause to go collect them, now is the perfect time to do that. Alright, so first things first friend, we are going to start with our tree. Start with this piece.